Today, we're going to the local zoo to look at the very rare pink-haired Ryan hooting owl. It's not a very nice owl, but, you know, it's very rare. And I could... Oh!
Ryan! Woo! Ryan!
This isn't a very nice owl. This isn't a very nice owl.
Drink it!
You gotta be very forceful with this owl. It likes orange juice and chocolate. That's what it likes. The zookeeper is very...
Oh! Ryan! Oh, Ryan!
Let's see how angry the owl gets. There's the, okay, crocodile done Angie, you know, over, oh my god, crocodile Angie over!